So in my system, project side is completed. Now I will design one basic form so that we can enter data and we can store Firebase. For this I will go to activity main XML and I will design one basic form here. I will drag this existing text view to little up and I will change its text as well. I will write text here as user details. After this I will also change size of the text. I will add text size property 30 dp and we also changing its text size, that is bold. I will take plain text and I will drag it to parent constraint layout. First I will change its edit text ID. I will constraint its bottom layout with the bottom of parent constraint layout and top constraint with the bottom of this text view. I will also constraint its left and right constraint with the text view left and right. I will drag this little up. After this I will add some properties with this edit text so that it can look better. I will add first property, that is text size 20 dp, and after this I will text type bold. I will remove this text and I will add hint here. Hint is enter. After this I will take one more edit text view. I will take one plain. I will take email. I will change its ID. For I will give it ID as user email. I will constraint this layout with the parent constraint layout. I will be adding one hint here. I will write hint and the email. I will also change its text from the first edit text. Will make it. I will add some properties here with email edit text style, that is bold. Text size is 20 dp. Now it looks little better. After this I will take one button in order to submit those details so that it can be saved on the real-time database. I will take one basic button. I will change its ID first. I will change its text and I will give it name as add. Now after this I will constrain this layout. We will also changing its button text size, so we'll add text size property and we will give it 25 dp. After this we will go to our project explorer. Here inside Java we will be creating one model class. I will right click on it and I will create one model class to accept the user detail in the object form. I will name it as user detail. Inside this user detail I will be adding member variable. First member variable is name. Member variable name is email. I will create one parameterized constructor to initialize these member variables. I will right click on generate. I will click on constructor and I will select both member variable and I will click on OK. It will generating constructor. After this I will also adding getter and setter for these member variables. Right click, generate, getter and setter, and I will select both. After this I will set up Firebase with our project. So for this click on file and I will go to tools. Inside tools we will be having Firebase. We'll click on it. This will open Firebase assistant. Here in this Firebase we will be setting up connection for our real-time database. So here we get the real-time database. Below the authentication we'll explore it. We'll click on get started with real-time database. We'll click on connect. It will be opening in our current browser, the Firebase console. Here I will create new project. I will name it as Firebase project 1 as it is, and I will click on continue. We'll click on continue. We'll turn off this Google Analytics for this project. I will click create project. Project is ready in our Firebase, so I will click on continue. Now our Firebase is setting up connection with our project. Click on connect. Now our Android project is connected with the Firebase. After this I will go to new tab and I will search for Firebase console. I will open this first link and I will go to Firebase console. Inside this we see our project, that is Firebase project 1. I will click on it. Inside this we will go to build. Inside build drop down we get option for real-time database, so we will click on it and we will create one real-time database for our Android project. I will click on create database. We'll keep it same. I will click on, we can also set up real-time database location, so I will keep it default, that is United States. After this I will click on next. I will use it in the test. I will enable it. So now our real-time database set up to store data. After this I will go back to Android Studio. Yes. As you can see, we have connected our application with Firebase. After this we need to set up dependency, so I will click on this second, add the real-time database SDK to your app. I will click on it. It will be setting up dependency in our Gradle build.gradle, so I will click on accept changes. It will take little time to import the dependencies and set it up with the project. Now Firebase dependency setup is done with our project. After this we will go to manifest file, and here we need to add permission for enter. I will add users permission. After this I will go to our main activity file. Here I will inflate our edit text views and button. I will create variables. First is name and the second is email. I also need to take one button variable, a detail button. I will inflate these views in our onCreate method. For this I will come here and will do find view by id. Name equal to find view by id dot user name. This is the id that we given our activity main xml file, and second is email, user email. Third is button. We need to import this button. Actually it is giving error. After this I will implement button on click listener. Add button dot set on click listener. When we click on this button it will take user details. So first we will check if values are provided or not. We will check it. If take it in the string dot value of name dot get text. We'll also check is empty and it's not empty, and we also check email should not be empty. So for this we'll add string email dot get text. This also should not be empty, so we will check it here is empty. For this I will create one instance of our Firebase database. I will create private db, and I also will be creating one Firebase reference. For this I will create one database reference. We will initialize these variables in our method here. db is equal to Firebase database dot get. Also initialize the reference. For this I will be db dot get reference. Here I will also pass the data, our table name. Let's say table name is user detail. So it will be creating one node as a user detail in our real-time database. Under this node all the data will get stored. After this we'll call reference dot child. Here in this child we always supposed to give one unique value so that our data can manage unique entries. It will not get override for the same name. For now I'll be giving it name only, so I'll be using name dot get text. Wrap this in string, so I'll be using string dot value of. Here I will be adding set value method. Inside this set value we will be passing object that contains user details. So here we created one model class. I will create object of model class and set values. User detail Inside this user detail, we will be passing value that we get through our form. So that is string dot value of name dot get text, and second value is email. Okay, email dot get text. We pass this model class object, that is user detail, inside this set value so that the value can be populated. On this set value, I will be calling add on success list. I will implement on success listener interface. So this add on success listener will be called when data is added to a real-time database. So we will print one toast message here, data added. We also call on failure listener, add on failure listener to check if data addition is failed. Here implement on failure listener. I'll also print one toast message if data is not get added to a real-time database. Failed. After this, I will give. I see one error in our project. We need to give parenthesis here. Now error got exactly. After this, I will install this application on my mobile device and I'll check how it works or not. I will click on run. So now application has been installed on my device. We will check if it works or not. I'll give a name Ravi. I will give a dummy email address here, ravindra123@gmail.com. We'll click on add. It is giving a toast message that is data added. We will go to Firebase real-time database and check if data is added or not. So we can see the data is added here. The node is also created user detail. Inside this Ravi, we are getting our email and name. We will adding another data. We will add one more data here. We'll change name this time, Rakesh Kumar, and we'll change email address here, rakesh.kumar. We will click on add. It also says the data added. We will check here in our real-time database. We got one more node, that is Rakesh Kumar. So this is how we can store data in real-time database in Firebase. This is all about in this video. If you like this video and if you find this video useful, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.